welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, how's it going? I just got water all in my face. I'm in the kitchen. So anyway, let me wipe my glasses. Hold on, y'all. Sorry about that. So anyway, today we are, I love to bring you a new food find that I found. Say that 5 times. And today I'm going to be talking about the blood orange. The blood orange. For those of you who are new to the channel, I am doing a healthy weight loss journey. Occasionally you'll see my husband pop in with his weight results and, do a little cooking with me. We do a little bit of everything. So, take you on our walking journeys, cooking recipes, little simple things, because I'm all about simplicity. If it's not simple, I'm not going to do it. So anyway, I was at the store and I saw these. It looks like an orange on the outside. I already cut it. And when you cut it, it is red. It is red. It's actually called a blood orange. And it is a citrus fruit. Okay. It's very high in vitamin C. Okay. Also, it can boost your energy just like any other vitamin C product or fruit or vegetable can. And it helps with fighting off infections. It promotes a healthy heart, helps with digestion, and even been known to help fight cancer, okay? So I'm not a doctor, but I just share with you what I found. So I have to tell y'all what happened. I bought these, right? And I bought a couple of regular oranges, and it just happened to me when I went to cut this for y'all. I bought a couple of regular oranges. This is just a plain old regular. I'll probably eat that one. But this one is actually the blood red orange, okay? So anyway, when I went to cut it and it was red, I forgot I had bought these and I screamed. I was like, ah, because it was red. I said, what the heck? So I'm going to cut it. I've already tasted it and they are delicious, but I just wanted to share with you my findings. So again, this is a blood orange, and I guess it's called that, of course, because of the red. Isn't that pretty though? My goodness. Have you ever tried a blood orange? Okay, so I'm going to eat it. And it's delicious. So it's a cross between a grapefruit and an orange, the flavor. Okay, if you like grapefruit, you will love this. If you don't like grapefruit, I don't know that you won't, because it's not a very strong flavor, but that's the closest thing that I can compare to, so you can get a real understanding of what it tastes like. So again, this is the blood orange. And it's good just to mix up your diet, instead of getting regular old oranges, mix it up and get something pretty. When you cut these and put it on your plate, they are just absolutely, it's just beautiful to look at. It really is. Again, the taste is good. And I just wanted to share these with you. So again, this is called the blood orange. Let me show you one more time what it looks like. That's the flesh of it. And it's really sweet. I don't know if they only come out at certain times. I found it right at my local Publix. If you guys hear me say I go to Publix a lot, because they are more expensive. It's just that they're easier to navigate. Sometimes when you're exhausted and don't feel like going to the store, we pay for convenience. And that's what I do sometimes. I run in Publix, and Lord knows, if you know anything about Publix, it is higher. It is an experience. It is a pleasure shopping there, because you ain't in there all day. They usually have more than one line open. So anyway, they didn't cost that much more than a regular orange either. I didn't see any cost difference, okay? So that's my take on the blood orange. I want you to go out and try it. If you already have, let me know what it tastes like. But again, it's really good. And again, just mix up your diet some. Well, until next time, guys, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.